The 10X Rule by Grant Cardone. Key insights. Success is a tricky matter. How does one reach success? Well, according to Grant Cardone, it's all in the 10X Rule. Grant Cardone is a top sales trainer and business owner, and he has created the 10X Rule to help lead people towards success that previously seemed out of reach. As long as you are alive, you will either live to accomplish your own goals and dreams or be used as a resource to accomplish somebody else's. Grant Cardone. This easy-to-follow guide makes success tangible to anyone that has a clear goal in mind. With Cardone's advice, you will be on your personal road to success in no time at all. Key points. Invest more. When you are reaching for success, an important rule of thumb is to invest 10 times more and reach 10 times further than needed. Success, inevitably, always takes more effort than we think it is going to, so that's why it's best to be extra prepared. This 10X rule should be incorporated into your daily routine. If you think that you need to write 10 emails to investors, consider writing 100 instead. In regards to your goal, both short-term and long-term, they should be 10 times wilder than what would be considered realistic. Or, in other words, dream big. If you fail because you didn't meet your huge goal, then it's not a big deal. However, if you fail because you didn't meet an average goal, that's more discouraging. Overcome the unexpected. If you are truly doing 10 times the work and dreaming 10 times bigger, then you will surely be able to overcome unexpected roadblocks. For example, if you are a business owner of a new catering company and you decide to hire more cooks for an event than needed, you will be prepared if the guest list expands, as people didn't RSVP and simply showed up at the door. If you are a true 10X rule follower, you will also have enough food to feed them all. One of the major differences between successful and unsuccessful people is that the former look for problems to resolve, whereas the later make every attempt to avoid them. Grant Cardone. Becoming successful in your business does not mean that you are hurting other people's success. Everyone can have success. For example, just because one person wrote a bestseller doesn't mean another cannot. They are not in direct competition with each other. They are merely finding their own success in the same field. Challenges. The 4 degrees of action are important to take into consideration when you are faced with a challenge. 1. Do nothing. This is when you don't take action when faced with a problem. 2. Retreat. This is when you back away or avoid the problem. 3. Normal action. This is when you do something to eliminate the problem. 4. Massive action. This is when you go above and beyond to take care of the issue at hand. As children, when faced with a problem, we face it head on and give it all we've got. We don't stop to think about what could happen and what we have to lose. The 10X rule says adults should do the same. Try to change your perspective by seeing opportunity rather than risk. But of course, when doing this, it is important to take responsibility for your choices, actions, and decisions. The key to success in business is to strive to be greater than average. If you are average, you are invisible. Go all in. If you want to see bigger results in your growing business, then it's vital that you go all in. Think about it. What's the worst thing that can happen to you if you just totally go for it? Grant Cardone. You must invest all your energy and effort if you want to make your business successful. A good start is to pick an objective that seems out of reach. This will motivate you to try your hardest. Until you become completely obsessed with your mission, no one will take you seriously. Until the world understands that you're not going away, that you are 100% committed and have complete and utter conviction and will persist in pursuing your project, you will not get the attention you need and the support you want. Grant Cardone. You should be focused on your goals 24/7. Your goals should rule all of your actions and decisions on a daily basis. Stay in control. Sometimes when we are working towards our goals, it's hard to stay in control, but it is necessary to have a handle on our workday and on our emotions. A lot of people are worried about not having enough time in the day, but instead of getting caught up time blocking your schedule, simply think, how can I make all this happen today? You should be striving to accomplish more in less time. Being time efficient can help you to be more productive and take total control of your workday. Make sure your emotions are in check too. Fear is a killer of small businesses. We must take risks without fear of failing. Staying humble is also a rule in business that will get you far. Always be open to critique. It's important not to worry about external influences. If a competitor is coming out with a new product, be sure to keep your eye on your goal rather than comparing and try to tailor your goal to theirs. Set targets. Choosing a goal is perhaps the most important part of the 10X rule. You must choose something that is meaningful and worthwhile to you. And choosing targets within your goal is equally important. Your targets might be to increase the amount of customers you have so word of mouth can create free advertisement for your company. Another target could be branding and name recognition so that when someone sees your logo, they know what it represents. Once you have a clear goal and your targets in mind, you can make a list of everything and see where you need to go from there. You can develop an action plan. This list can be changed throughout the process as things come up and targets change. The main takeaway. The 10X rule is a formula that will help you reach goals you never thought attainable. You must work harder, put in more effort, and go all out in order to achieve success.
Hi, I'm Rhonda, and this is an exclusive audiobook video recorded for the Audiobook Master channel. Enjoy your audiobook and have fun learning. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so you'll get updated on our next upload. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and say your thoughts about the book we just covered. Do you want to listen to a summary or review of a book that we haven't covered in the past? Say it in the comments below or send us a message. Don't forget to check our other uploads. Enjoy listening!